Art students, Brian Proctor, the art teacher, comic book art teacher, back again with another video. And I only have one thing to say. Let's get to the drawing table. All right, art students, welcome to the drawing table. And I've been telling you guys for months that I was working on a 360 drawing handbook. And today it has finally arrived. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the handbook and then talk about it a little bit. And then it's going to be a short video. All right, so one of the things I've always had a problem with was drawing hands. And I know a lot of people out there have the same problem. So I said, I'm going to do a handbook. That way I'll be able to teach myself and then teach others how to do it as well. So this is on Amazon. And before we go any further, I want to say, do your art teacher a favor. Tell people about this. Tell them about the links. Tell them about the books. Show them the book so that I can get people out there to understand how to draw hands. So one of the things I wanted to do is not just show you how to draw one hand. I wanted to show you how to draw hands from multiple positions, the same way I did the 360 action pose book. So let's get into this. Show you the first couple pages because you can see that on Amazon. No more of all of that. No more of this, no more of that. Okay, so let me just flip through a couple pages. Now, as I said, not just drawing the left hand, you draw the right hand as well. Or not just drawing the right hand, you're drawing the left hand as well. And as I said, I wanted to show you positions because a lot of drawing books just show you a position of one hand, a position of one hand, a position of one hand. And that's, to me, that's not drawing. You need to know what the hand looks like or whatever it is you're drawing from multiple positions. It's the same way I teach the anatomy, from multiple angles. You have to be able to turn it, twist it, stretch it, the whole 9 yards. So these are a few pages. Just gonna flip through a few pages, right and left. And at first I started out with, more just the comic book stuff. But then I said, you know what? There are a lot of things that we do in the comic books or just in real life that will end up in the comic books just to make it better. Like, how many of us hold a cell phone? That's a hard thing to do when you're drawing. Even if you look in the mirror, it's kind of hard to draw a cell phone. I think I have two cell phones. Yeah, on the cell phone. Holding a plate. What else I got in here? Books. A large picture. Coffee cup. So there's a lot of stuff in here that you can use. And you're not just drawing for comics, but drawing in general. So it's not just for comic book people, it's for people if you want to do like character designs, or if you're just trying to just learn how to draw, this is there for you. And then what about that? Choking people. There's a lot of stuff in here for you guys. Obviously, I'm not going to show you the whole entire book, but I'm just showing you pieces of the book so that you can, and this is kind of like one of my favorites here. It's really hard to draw this position. So now you can see it and draw it. And I have some guns up in here too, because a lot of us use the guns. And then it tells in the very back about the other books that are available from me. So this is in Amazon, $19.95. $19.95, yeah. So pick it up, learn how to draw hands, because there is a little thing that tells you about drawing hands. It's not just here's a picture of a hand, draw it, but it explains the same way I explain the anatomy, to break it down using shapes. Everything is a shape. And I break it down, show you how to put those shapes together, and then from there you start drawing hands. So once again, favor to your art teacher for all the years that I've been drawing and trying to show you. Pick up a book. Not only that, tell a friend, tell as many people as you can, and I would greatly appreciate that. All right, so that's it for this short introductory video. I will see you guys in the next video coming Monday. Not Monday. Well, I don't know what day you're looking at this, but it's coming Monday. All right, so keep drawing. Don't ever, ever, ever give up your dream, because if you give up your dream, then you're just sitting around doing nothing or going to work following somebody else's dream. Think about that. You either follow your dream, make it come true, or you're making somebody else's dream come true by working for them. All right, words of wisdom. All right, later. I'll show you the back. There's the back. Now later.